Here's a quick video of this overhead Legacy garage door opener, which is similar to a Genie model. This is at my old cousin's house here. As you can see, where he just moved to a new house, so I came here today to clean this stuff up. So I thought I'd make a quick video. Here's your sensors. It's a little dusty. Oh, look at this. The slide thing. They removed this. Let me remove that. So here's the controller. Here's the button. Got the. Won't do anything. So you got the light. So go ahead and run the door up. It's a little dusty. I'm gonna try to wipe this down. Here we go. Put it back down. Oh, as you can see. Up. All right, now I'll run it back down. Very nice opener. Runs very smooth. The chain jerks a little bit, but say we'll run it up again. Runs very smooth. All right, I'm gonna show y'all the outside of it in a minute. I forgot my remote, so I'm gonna find a way to close it. So yeah, I'm gonna get back out here in just a second. So I want to show y'all from the outside. So give me just a second. All right, guys, I'm gonna do it 2 times. All right. I don't know if you got a good view or not, but that's the best I can do. Oh, look at that. Thing's missing. I have to clean it up a little bit. Very nice opener. All right, guys. I'm gonna leave it up for now because I had it up, so I just close it to make the video. But all right, guys. Anyway, there y'all go. Very nice opener. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Leave a comment if you know. If you're new, subscribe. Feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe. All right, guys. There you go.